Today we're doing Instagram makeup. Makeup perfect for the gram.
Stop playing with him.
BaddieDavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this in a minute. Like, it's been a minute since I've used this. But I've had like light hair, like silver hair, so I haven't really had the opportunity to use this medium brown shade. But I used to really like it, so hopefully we still enjoy it. But we're on the bed, it's comfortable. And what's gonna save you is your concealer. So if you like mess up, it's okay. I do have a full tutorial on the brows and I can't talk, so let me just finish. Okay, so before I go on with anything on the brows, anything else on the brows, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime oil. I really like this stuff, especially when I want my skin to be nice and hydrated. But if you have like super oily skin, or you notice that at the end of the day, your makeup is oily, skip this step. This is Instagram makeup, so anything is possible. I just feel like a little extra liquid illuminator is gonna seal the deal. We're gonna do. Yes. And this is not even necessary. Yes. Definitely not a necessity in life. We could just wipe it with our fingers. All right. And then our forehead, nice and shiny. I'm gonna for sure line the bottom lids with ginger. The top, I'm not gonna do the top with ginger. On the top brow, we'll just mix in a bit of this NARS, okay? Because I don't want it to be too bright, but. For the foundation, we're gonna use we haven't blended nothing out yet, and that's okay. But for the foundation, I'm gonna use my NYX Total Drop Concealer foundation in the color Caramel. Quite frankly, I really like this. If you watch the past few videos, I've probably used this, so it's kind of good. And then we could just mix a bit of this NARS, because I like the NARS. So we're gonna just add the NARS with that NYX, because this is Instagram. And we are walking filter. Of course, we can't forget about that rose water spray. And then we're going to just blend everything out. If anything, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D concealer just to top off any blemish, okay? So I want it flawless. I'm gonna take the same NARS that I was just using. And I'm just using the viewfinder right now. And since it's Instagram, we really wanna just snatch our lives away. Cupid's bow, forehead, and then down. To contour, I'm gonna just like dip into the brush. Okay, and if you guys don't like Instagram, then it's gonna be perfect for a photo shoot. And we're just really tapping it in there. And then every place we put the highlight is where we're going to tap it in there. And this is my complexion that I'm wiping it off with. So it's gonna make sure that I don't have any flashback. And it's gonna make me perfect, especially for Instagram Live, which I've never been on. Yeah, this works for me. It makes my makeup last all day long. You already know I like use this all the time. This could be blended out a bit more. My Hoola Benefit bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna just go on the sides of my nose with the same powder just to kind of blend it out a bit. Just like what? Oh. For our highlight, I think I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's been a minute. we need the glow to be massive. So we're gonna just go in with all the shades. We're gonna start off with this, then we're gonna go on top with the Artist Couture. Now that the base is there, I know you see that. I'm not gonna really put on what you call that eyeshadow. I'm gonna just put some of this bronzer on my eyes just to give me some razzle dazzle. I just want my eyes to have a bit of color. I'm gonna spray my face with the budesco setting spray. For the lips, I think I want to try out this green. It's like a dupe for the Kylie Jenner's new color. So let's try green. Green might be a whole vibe. So let me go wipe this color off. But yeah, we're gonna go in with our Huda Beauty. And this is actually a good everyday makeup look if you like full coverage. And we can always tie it in a tie.
Only and that's a lesson.